surge in cases, it's Maharashtra which is under the scanner because the state is actually considering a potential lockdown. But it's a divisive issue. Opposition from all quarters, including Shiv Sena allies and the business community. Take a look at what is happening on the ground because ventilator beds in the city are now becoming a cause of concern.
Maharashtra is clocking over 30,000 COVID cases every day. The situation continues to be worrying in cities like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nasik and Aurangabad. The new surge has prompted the Uddhav Thackeray government in Maharashtra to consider another lockdown. But the idea is being opposed by one and all.
निश्चित रूपाने लॉकडाऊन हे राज्याला जनतेला कुणाला परवडणारा नाही. आम्ही सर्वांनी मुख्यमंत्री महोदयांना आग्रह धरला की आता लॉकडाऊन हे उपाय होऊ शकत नाही.
लॉकडाउन करो, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप पैकेज दो, चलो 1 महीने के लिए पैकेज दो. सभी ठेले वालों को 5,000 रुपये मिलेंगे, घर में काम करने वाले ताई को 5,000 रुपये मिलेंगे, रिक्शा वालों को 5,000 रुपये मिलेंगे. फिर करो ना, लोग घर में आराम से बैठेंगे. आप कुछ करेंगे नहीं तो 2 समय का खाना क्या खाएंगे? कोरोना से नहीं मरेंगे लोग, भूखमरी से मरेंगे.
Nagpur, Nanded and Beed districts are already under a lockdown. Sources tell India Today the new lockdown, if it is imposed, wouldn't be the same as the one last year. A complete shutdown of buses and trains is unlikely. Services other than essential ones might be allowed. Private offices may not be asked to be shut down unlike last time. Government offices are already asked to work in staggered shifts. There might not be restrictions on movement of people. With COVID cases rising sharply, the BMC is taking stringent measures. The civic body will manage 80% isolation beds of private hospitals. All ICUs of private hospitals will be managed by the BMC War Room. Asymptomatic patients with no comorbidities will not be given a hospital bed. The BMC has instructed discharge of all asymptomatic patients. All jumbo centers have been asked to operationalize their wards. 69 nursing homes are converted to COVID centers, adding 2,000 beds and 400 ICUs to the total tally.
ये जो लोग जो सिस्टम को ब्रेक करते हैं, जो हमारे सिस्टम को फॉलो नहीं करते, उनको मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सिस्टम में रहिए. अगर सिस्टम से बाहर जाएंगे, यू विल बिकम फिश आउट ऑफ वाटर. आपको बेड नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये कारण है कुछ लोग बोलते हैं बम्बई में बेड नहीं है.
On one hand, COVID positive cases are increasing alarmingly, pushing for the need to take stringent measures. But on the other hand, political parties, including the one that are part of the state government, are opposing any move like lockdown. The state government for now is stuck between the devil and the deep sea. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.